Choosing between the OnePlus Nord CE4 and Nord CE5 is all about knowing what matters most to you in a smartphone. Let's walk through each feature so you can make an informed decisions. Starting with the display, both phones offer 3D visuals, but with a few key differences. The Nord CE4 sports a 6.74-inch curved AMOLED display, delivering a stylish and engaging viewing experience. Its curved edges make watching content feel more interactive, and many users find this design appealing for day-to-day use. Meanwhile, the Nord CE5 moves up slightly in size with a 6.77-inch flat AMOLED display. The flat design might seem more traditional, but it caters to those who prefer a modern, streamlined look, especially gamers and productivity-focused users. The brightness also differs. The CE4 peaks at 1100 nits, making it decent for outdoor viewing, while the CE5 steps it up to 1300 nits. If you're someone who's often on the go and needs your screen to perform under direct sunlight, the Nord CE5 takes the lead here. Design is where personal preference comes into play. The curved lines of the CE4 offer a unique feel in hand, standing out among flat screen competitors. The CE5's flat design is all about minimalism and durability, ideal for those who favor a classic look. Both phones are slim and stylish, but the choice comes down to which aesthetic matches your taste. Performance is a major deciding factor, especially for power users. The Nord CE4 is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, which is more than capable of handling everyday tasks and casual gaming. But for those who demand more, the CE5's MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex processor delivers superior speed, especially in gaming and multitasking scenarios. Both models offer 8 GB of RAM, but the CE5 supports up to 12 GB of virtual RAM, giving you extra muscle for heavy workloads and multitasking. If seamless app switching and gaming are high on your list, the CE5 is your go-to. When it comes to cameras, both phones shine with a 50MP main camera equipped with optical image stabilization, ensuring crisp and stable shots. But the Nord CE5 advances the experience with AI-driven enhancements that elevate photo quality, particularly in tricky lighting situations. Night shots and dimly lit scenes are clearer and more vibrant. Here's a quick summary to help you recall the key differences between the OnePlus Nord CE4 and Nord CE5 so far. Now, let's explore how these two phones compare in terms of video recording, battery, software, durability, and price. Video recording gets an upgrade too. The CE5 offers 4K at 60 FPS for smoother, more cinematic footage, while the CE4 is capped at 30 FPS. For content creators and photography enthusiasts, these improvements could be the deciding factor. Battery life and charging speed are often deal breakers. The Nord CE4 packs a 5500 mAh battery with 100 bullet Super VOC charging, allowing a full charge in around 30 minutes. Perfect for users who need a quick top-up before heading out. The CE5 offers a larger 7100 mAh battery for extended use, ensuring you can go longer between charges. Charging speed is still impressive at 80 Wh, though not as rapid as the CE4. If you favor fast charging, opt for the CE4. If longer battery life is your priority, the CE5 wins. Software and AI features are where the CE5 pulls ahead again. Running Oxygen OS 15, the latest version, it delivers smarter app management, enhanced security, and overall smoother user experience. The CE4 operates on Oxygen OS 14.1, which is still user-friendly and clean, but lacks some of the newer AI enhancements. If staying up to date with software is important, the CE5 is the better choice. Durability matters, especially for active lifestyles. The CE4 is splash resistant with an IP54 rating, but the CE5 boasts an IP65 rating, offering superior protection against water and dust. Those who need their phones to withstand tougher conditions should look to the CE5. Price is always a crucial consideration. The Nord CE4 is more budget-friendly at around Rs 1998, delivering excellent value for its feature set. The Nord CE5 is priced at approximately rupees 24998 but justifies the extra cost with advanced technology and improved performance. To help you decide which device suits your needs, let's quickly summarize the main differences. Ultimately, choosing between these two phones comes down to your priorities, whether it's value, performance, or advanced features. Check the links in the description for more details and the latest pricing information.